Hello, everybody. Guys, I just did busy since I did very busy. I just they cook, they clean, they wash clothes. Only me one. Just they cook, they clean, they wash clothes, they arrange house. And today now be my own Saturday. I wanna say my amazing people, please join the video. My people, mona can't listen your story, don't worry. This boy so one they see for front of my screen. I beg if you know him, or you know him, or you they see where he they pass or where he they stay. I beg make una tell the right people where they look for this boy. Okay? This boy don't go dupe one of our sister. This boy don't go rob that girl gold. One of our idol sister. This boy self na still be new. The reason why I decided to talk on this issue, I go still tell una just now. I know so this boyfriend and girlfriend issue. I know they too like talk put. You understand? I know they too like to they talk put. But this particular guy, the thing touched me. You understand? The thing touched me in the sense that I don't know the girl before. She not even call me, which you understand, she not call me. But I see people, they talk about this issue since morning. Thanks for joining, Mama Chelsea. Thanks for joining. Good evening, my amazing people. I bet more than me love and like and share this video. I see people, they talk about this issue of this guy since. The thing not even still vex me, you understand? I just got the look and say, nah, maybe if he be saying a mistake, they accuse the guy, or if he be saying not be the guy. But when I come watch video just now, when one blogger carry where this boy, they talk for presenter platform. The way the boy take they made, save they bring a picture, now so he go do this one, and so he go do. I just look and say, see this rat. They see they deal with better people. Talk less of you will be omila, ojobo jewo, o Jamie. O Jamie. Ole buruku. They go do your sister. Then go do your sister. You this boy. You pass everywhere. Oibo, you know see Oibo. Where you go rob. You can say your fellow Edo sister. Guess where be say he shots. Edek biyan yo wa. Iyan zozole kaludo. The ones who not make and they will say they not make. The ones who see suffer struggle. Boys like you, not only you, na many for that category. Who are my biyan shentro? The raining style won't account they do. Na shentro no they rain again. Now this they call your ass. Ya say be a breakable plate away to wavio wadwevio. The rainy boys were just dinner, and the worst part they say na Bini boys. This kind of thing not good for you. My people, for those of una wey never know this issue, I see this video for investor platform. Where this boy, thanks for joining Miss Anita, where this guy was caught on camera, he carry bag, he dey enter his girlfriend house. Meanwhile, the girl not there so. That particular one, so when he carry bag, so enter that house that day, so that unfaithful on Thursday, so the girlfriend no day house. The girl don't go work. According to the girl, when they break, that is okay. Make I just start the explanation from beginning. So my people, this boy, so at the end that they call him Erawiji, something like I'll play this Yosnamona for listing way. This guy used how many years stay toast one girl for Benjo. Thanks for joining my passive, you know what? Thanks for joining my lady. I said to you, good evening. Please, Mona, let me share this video. So this guy used many years stay toast girl, not be new thing. You know, say we some girls. If guy they toast us like this, we'll see they say no, let me check, you know. This girl, I not be say this girl rush follow this boy now. No be say this girl they jump from man to man before he meet this guy now. This girl still try her best to keep her self-respect. Una they get me. Before she can finally accept for this guy. Not knowing that all those years where that boy take they fight, they find this girl. So this boy already they calculate what he want do this girl. All those years where he take they disturb the girl. And na me love you past. I must marry you. You must go for me. You must do this. Without you, my life no go straight. For how many years where the boy come do like say no see another woman go meet where they popo this girl. Not knowing that the girl doings where this guy they see. Na he enter I don't know so okay. This one fi we no ya mwe elephant. Una they get me so. Now, this girl can finally accept this boy. It's okay. Since you say na relationship, make I give you try. When this girl, they see this guy, they always they stay for hotel. They always they stay hotel. Now the girl call and say, Agafa, you no get house. This boy saying get house. But, he should day in your house. So he just they stay with his friend. You understand? Get away, don't big. The girl let her know. So okay, no problem. All this hotel money where you they pay, so it be like waste. As I said, me get house. Okay, if you won't see again, you come my place. It's normal. And many people they do. Even women we don't all they do talk less of young girl. Now, this girl can finally invite this boy come her house. All this while, where this guy they toast this girl, where this guy they beg this girl, where this girl they see this guy all update and everything. This guy was using fake identity. Oh, me una see and say the boy don't already know what he want do the girl, and I God say may the girl carry this issue on social media, because on social media you cannot hide it from God. You may cover your identity and nobody may know. You cannot hide it from Facebook. You cannot hide it from Saga. People, this boy use fake car. He tell the girl, say, una know why me, una know say my own not the had. Before I come they do this video, I already conclude saying that this boy thief that good. Nothing where anybody won't tell me. Now this boy night thief that good. Before this boy go his girlfriend house, the boy tell the girl say he dey drive car. He go rent jeep. He go rent jeep. Get jeep. A very big and powerful jeep. Made the girl for thing say he get money. Made the girl for throw away eye for a body. This boy not get cobble for Europe. He not get even 50 euro for Europe. He had to bring money from Nigeria, come Europe. Where he quoted they do Dorime after all. He don't cite the gold and everything where he won't say. So he no say yes. Now money they take they find money. Now he use his sumo. Whether na 6 million they say brick for Nigeria. He use that one set trap. To go carry gold worth of 80,000 euro. My people, 80,000 euro. More than 130 million. Now this boy used 10 million. Till set trap, take carry. Now they get me. Now this guy reached this girl house. This boy lie about his own name to the girl. If not be person, where me person. Girl, where you don't use almost how many years till they find, till they disturb to friend, where you don't they toast. Why must you hide your identity for the girl? Why you go give the girl wrong address? Your own babe, you give her wrong address. This one not be say one night stand. No, you and this girl una they date, una be boyfriend and girlfriend. Why you go give her wrong address? Say na dear you they stay for Germany. Because you look and say, the girl no go fit go Germany, go confirm that your address. You confirm life for the girl for that one. Secondly, motor where you drive reach the girl compound where you take they do dorime, no be your car. Now those one make you bring money come for Nigeria. Now you take sort all those expenses to make your way till you carry that good. My people, me now they listen to what Bini boys now they do. Now Bini boy be this one. I know say not be all be like this, but we need to deflog people like this with bad cane because they spoil Edoni. Now this one go come and they talk say, all those people where they social media, they are very nonsense. You now where you come social media, and I say what you take on social media, I'm brother, ole buruku, oh Jamie. Now you take enter social media so. Now this boy fake everything about her to this innocent Edo girl. That one I say na her heart be, na so this boy won't be. Not knowing that this boy set trap, he want to carry gold. This boy now begin con they monitor all the gold where they that house. Go reach the one where the girl give her where. This boy run, he quick can run, go a Boki store, go confirm whether na real gold or been a fake gold. The girl said that one be not able to cost, said that one at 2,000 euro. He said to say that one he even carry it for good. Nah. OG, house where you come. It be like as this has been. The rooms where they, this boy can't go the girlfriend room. He can't go thief gold from that girl luggage. That girlfriend, he can't go thief that one gold from that one luggage. Two of them not there as they go work. Not knowing that camera did that house. You'll be like this our house now. Everywhere na camera. Wawa tore a lift. You see on the camera say go remain so many shook inside your eye. Before you enter the first door, second door, camera everywhere. Go reach passage where you want to open your door. Camera is everywhere. Any room you enter, there I go see you. Say, okay, man lie. This boy no say camera did that girl house. Now when he can't take carry bag, they go inside. Now he take detect the camera, say, camera did this. If you watch the video, you go see the way as this boy see that camera, he can't face ground, he can't dodge his face. This boy will be disgraced, shall. When we have say, my jacket he got a range of numa one. Work coffee, but I talk on Bele where they take the work for fabric. I know they big like this. Bele where they take the work for fabrica, you know they big like this. Who now want impress now? Who can't know if not be he go still carry Epa social media president good. Epa as they don't expose her now. Epa na go come reason whether he get access to this person. If he know her before, if this guy they enter his house before, if this guy don't fail in any way enter Epa house, now this boy carry Epa good. Nothing where anybody won't tell me. The reason why they carry people gold, my people, may I tell you now, gold, they don't say gold, it is easy to say. Gold not get a NADAC number. Gold not be like, you understand? Even you when you get that kind of gold where it cost like that, say police come your house, you go explain how you take buy that gold, which work you they work. You go explain how you take fee get 70, like this one, 80,000 euro worth of gold. Which work you they work? Now what did the fair ask you? The country where you there much you don't pay for tax. If it be say you never even work once, you know they pay tax for that country, and you can't go lose that kind of amount of gold, they go vex for you. The government go vex for you. That country they go they go still, even if they will find the gold for you, they go still hold you. As I said, na Germany the boy they okay. Una they get me so. Now the rainy stealing trick you be this because they feel say our black people based on we like gold well. So if they come your house, they thief your gold, you no go get voice to take report to police say your gold miss or your team miss. So the only way you will still report now when you they work. Now when you they work and you feel prove and bring all the receipts, say yes, you they work, you pay small, say you feel clear and be like clearance, you feel clearance for balek behind. Now you yourself no go get problem, say you get this kind of thing. Thank you, Mama Maswe. Thank you. Thank you, my lady. I've been me tons of this video. Because all these Benin boys, Shentro know they work, you know they rain again. Not be all of them. I know some Benin boys will be say they very hard working. They very hard. The way they everything they work now, only you go they tell they say this work is too much, it's too much, it's too much. But you see soon. You see soon. Hey. Forget say that they tell you say Bini guess. Some Bini boys in je e shema disgrace no gira gbono re ni unhuya oje. This one na no even shame say na a girlfriend friend room na in for Congo thief gold. No be even say na your girlfriend He won't come talk. If they form, not be only, where me for you no say the boy night if that good, my people. Now no say me sabi listen to person. It be like, if police they interview you, yeah, for you to talk your own as you know rich. If this boy don't go they point fingers. You will be prime suspect. I've been you will be original suspect. You the point finger say, get one boy. Now so they get one boy where they want to do resident for. Waiting you they try to talk. So if he can't involve Ogbalekbena say the thing can't cast now. Okay, one could put that girl for problem. Say she they do dark board document. I've been a resident for people where not dead the country. Now that one you want by talk with us say no be only you did the ass. Get one guy where come the ass before you. You get one guy where come the ass before you. You know the year word. Say the 600 euro where you thief join. Now that one I quick cast. How can person where can't take person resident thief the person? It not feel possible. Person where can't collect use money. Big money, do resident for your hand. When you know, say that your resident, you go they use hand. You go they use hand, zero, flex for the country. Use hand, collect goods if you want, do things. Then you go Congo thief for that kind has never, because now your document involved, your rename involved, all it is involved. Now you be the thief, because everything for you, A to Z is all fake. Thanks for joining my lady Viviana. Yes. I don't judge your case. The boy where you they put on for your head, say, they the boy, he get person where they can't do resident for. That one can never be thief. Because why? That one submit all his document, he rename, where they use for the countryside. Everything about him. Now you draw for grant, where they do that document for him. Now only you rent motor, you say na your motor. Your rename, you go change and say, you go tell the guest say another name that they call you. Has address where you get, you go change that for the girl. You go give the girl fake address. So how you with that guy now? You, if you yourself, you as a boy, where you say you big for nothing fool, so where you be so. If they bring this matter come for you, say, judge this two matter, because let's assume now it's okay. Now two men involved now for this issue. You as a man now judge this case. How you go take judge? Eko fikbo. Alalue. How you go take judge? Is it the person where he come genuinely with the document and everything? Na go contif. I been a person where fake his life come. Na contif. Now you thief that gold. You dey hear me so, Mr. Man. And for you to go thief this girl, you don't they do her for a very long time. And you they get your targets. And you they get waiting your targets. According to your information, when me they hear your stand, they say don't tell where you they thief. Aweru wafinye. Erura may not be saying you go carry pie the money, you know. Onye saga ina gboa. Onye saga ina gboa. For you to go to, you know, say, bonne pie the money tie your hair. If it be say, na that juju cause shame and disgrace on your body so. And the way they look at may not be say you self you know a pie the money. Because if you know a pie the money, say you know a back and I don't see for face. And you they see wife for social media, the way she take the wear gold. And you did that Germany. Now you go thief that gold. Now you go run that matter. Now waiting you just they do the go. They change your address. They change things about you. You know they pity your own fellow Edo people. You think it's easy for person to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning they go work. If it's easy, now you know they work. And this boy will do head like coconut we not strong. Amel swan bog boy. This one are just testy. E boni why de no ban. E go dini to have your lardian. And we by ourselves now we go investigate whether you know a pie the Murphy. Who are why a pie the Murphy only a saga buwane. A saga rig buwe. A saga or riwa buwe fo. You are very correct. Yes, so if this guy know a pa say they don't first see once for face, he know a pass. A boy now do go de pavio. A boy now he say omila. Omila. We te Azaya. Ojobo jevo. Ole buruku. E we mo jive no motiun. Gewe no ando je ravi joya de shame and disgrace ye. Agbowe ni agbawe. Ya se gbo wa na e fi weji na. Wo wa ni a police aya buste. Even once police see you for that Germany because a pa on don't already fed this station. Plus this one now where you go use fake identity, they go carry. So thank God say camera catch you. And the girl do mistake to first send you that camera where catch you. The girl do mistake. If any other camera day, if any other video day where you take carry that your beside G come aside, make she not show you. Make them not release any evidence again to you until they arrest you. For station, you go see the remaining evidence. So that you feel use your math, they judge yourself, they chop. So that you use your own math. What do you talk for your math? You take put yourself for base where you know say evidence day. I wish that maybe that guy for never send you any video say we see you the enter. I'm not going to send you. How you they do my find this? If I'm not going to even call you. I go do like say nothing lost. Where you go sit down, they drink, and then I go weigh your hand with police. Evidence is I don't need to come they follow you, they talk many minutes. Make the girl even they swear. Make the girl for your room swear first. Make you not go they waste our money for swear. And then or when we more in bena, they not they move. When we not tell Omila. Or when we more or ini no nya konyo to no keke ne the 7 days bena, they know they move. You know see her. You go fake identity for you to even day Jamie they use fake identity. Now problem you see day. Now wahala you still day. I think this guy is a suspect of Epa gold. Yes, now if he know Epa, say this boy know Epa, he know Epa house. And this boy thief Epa gold. Without being told, now the useless fully boy go. He go Epa house, go carry gold. If he know Epa, if this boy know Epa, he na go carry their gold. Now because you see the old thing now. You be like, as I did so now, I'll come they use fake identity. Not be even say maybe guy, wait, okay, let me assume, say, okay, where we do online. Yeah, we know they like to expose everything about us to relationship where we they do. Because why? You don't know who be who. And that man where you think say love you just now, if he see 40 million, if he see person if pay 40 million, say Alpha, give me this girl, give me this girl, this one. So that's why if you be presenter, you're dey careful with things you they share out. But this one not be presenter, this one not be police, this one not be anything. This one are just normal highway robber. Or Jamie, and this one be. Why you can't they use fake identity? Only that fake identity where you take go that bench with fake motor where you rent. You tell the girl say you get car. Fake address where you give the girl everything. Go reach that your baby mama so. I know say the reason why you dey cry make them not bring your baby mama come outside because that your baby mama now if it be say she also know many things about you. If it be say now this thief now you thief whether your relationship not get head. Where make your baby mama beat you through outside. Now una new ways of stealing can be this. Now God will not carry because God police not the two the except say they just see for cameras okay see who run now. Now help they go help you and if case no even take police and they feel season. Yes, they feel season because how you will be black they get this kind of money. You know they even they pay tax, you know they work. Now big they go ask they must question you. Now you don't be this even you get some kind of car where you they drive for road. Say even though all your paper complete, you pass checking points the way they will take pursue you. They not first stop you. Wait or just look and say that jeep is big when a black they inside. The way they will take the radio on you, pursue you cash. They go make sure say they zanzan you from top to bottom. So now so it's still big if they come see say you get something like that, like gold or those things. Get the way they do there for body. Because this money now, not be small money. Oh. That money rich person to take buy house for Europe, 80,000. If una just target her, almost the same thing with a pie the Murphy wife gold and mats. Now so that one gold just still cost. Now so he plenty. No not see school bag where this boy tell they run the things. Una not see that school bag where he tell they run the things. If una watch the video where that boy take carry that school bag enter, you will know say that school bag is on a mission. Because what you they carry, they go for inside. School bag empty, nothing there inside. Nothing there inside the school bag. Why could hear your boy? Oh, ya silly yo. Why you can't be saying now when you take the school bag, come out, go inside, na camera pick. When you can't take come out, camera not come pick. Camera not come know as you can't take come out. Why? Is it that you turn to spirit when you they come out? Or is it that like waiting make you come still go carry back at that time of the day? When you come still say hands door, you not carry the bag the night when you reach there. I be not be as person they share the for inside motor they carry it back. You leave the bag inside motor, make the girl for no know say you carry back come my house. The girl say na brush you they use everything na brush na one shirt you they wear. Or maybe she get baby polo viojo. Eh? You gonna see everybody. Why? Okay, you be like as this my house be so. Then I come out go work. You can carry bag, enter that kind big bag, black bag. You can carry enter inside my house. And at the end, I can't come back for work. Come find and say something miss. And you come out for my own bag. You know wait make I come. And you can't go carry that kind of bag to enter. My brother, wait till you they carry that kind of bag, they go inside my house. My house, now my things they the house. A boss has to wear rubber. Okay, wait, the bag where you carry from motor go, where you can't carry now for inside motor go inside. Wait till you go inside pack. Is it that your boss has where you wash, now you dry where you go pack? And be now the shoe where you wear, come where you wash, now you go pack. Now the food wanna buy, eat for night, wanna not your finish. Now you go pack, I be waiting. My brother, now you thief that gold. The way you take planner, you already know. That was why you if you come, You leave your bag inside car. Imagine say you won't spend a night. Like me now as a woman, go boy house, I want stay daybreak. I carry my handbag, even if I dey drive. Shebi I go carry my bag enter the house that night. Because my brush fit dey inside. My body spray fit dey inside. My things, women things fit dey inside. My hair brush, everything fit dey inside. As for me now, the boy go thief a power wife go. Okay. Because of what I like bena of there. You understand? Now you stay the house. The girl able to say, now things you they use, which is true because that time when you say come and go carry your bag, not be that time you want a brush. Where you like bavane by that time. Uve huene by that time. Abobe where imwekbo ya muwa. If not be that gold. Why imwekbo ya muwa? You rent car. You fake your address. You fake your name. Because you beyond know say if you do and finish, you want do it with no trace. Now you be one do. You want do it with no trace. This matter don't dey grand since now. If not be since where the girl can't get so they bring you come out for media. Wait, what come make this shame and disgrace where you and your family black pint so? Who for no say boy like you now go fit thief? That is why you see Benin boys. Obona gbinya pan, aya gbe mo pan. Benin boys, not be all sorry to say, but Benin boy can never call me to say, my sister, we want to do one business. Where the 2000 immediate 2000 now business of as they talk, and they follow back, they come out. Say the one when I know say yes, this person they pure. Because they too fake. Guess where become sorry for past. Now guess where they follow fine boys. Guess where they follow. See, Bini guess. Mona know they follow fine boy again. Mona know they hear. Mona know they follow fine boy again. I don't know una want impress. Because una they go club, now they club. So you won't show your guy for club. Me or your friends come the hela. Carry the one way ugly. Me no fine. Me they work for Fabrica. Yes, follow that type. Now go pass. Now go give you rest of mind pass. You see all this one way do belle when no they go work so. All this one a bag of problem. If you leave there for us before you come for work, you go to sleep with your friend for your house. Or tenant where you put for room, he go just go to sleep with her. As you just see them, so they your brief, you just see them. They always they get one speaker where they carry. This one I saying you want small Bluetooth, but they get one speaker where they call those small speaker. You be like those tape where our forefathers said they carry that time. No, they don't rebrand and get the way they take they do one. Iya wa di owe taping, iya wa di yombo, iya wa gbale moroko, iya wa si, iya wa monisi la je, iya wa bosse, iya wa wu. So fani ya you go yogo. Akewa pa agbema. You can't get tenant for us. Before you come, now your tenant, a tenant no can go besebo. Iya wali di sebo ne iya mo anu wela di ave fridge iya mo e moroko no si ola tenant we egbo ni kasemi a otone uwe bedi we e bedi we na o ya lalo hewa. When you go take domia come for work, when you take time, say you want bath, make you sleep around. Now you go lie down for bed, you go they chat the girl. The girl will call the house and say, when are you leaving? You go say, I'm supposed to leave tomorrow, but because of you, I'll just stay 1 week so that I will spend more time. The girl will say, okay. They go break, your tenant will be safe, they call, they knock your door, they greet you. You go supermarket, you go buy spinach, go buy storefish, go buy different goat meat. You go see her for bus stop where you want that bus, they go work. You go see your tenant, they come down for bus, they come and say, you go call the you not go out to the, and you go say, no, not just well. Doctor say I not to get blood for body. That make me want to do this small spinach. So I just want eat, make her relax. I say make her relax. You go call with the letter and they okay, my guy there, so in case if you not feel or Or maybe nothing on gas, I bet you, me do. You go say, no problem, we're wiring winner. Or you want so what you really can go, you where's Monica? Your guy now, don't bring that Obewe speaker, come outside, don't go put that for kitchen. They'll just they play music there, now there, the girl with the boy meat. Go to meet in organ and go give the boy, made the chop. As they cook the soup, you where's Monica? They will begin turn your house to something else. They will begin turn your house to something. Before you go see no, the boy so don't see the shame throw that girl that your tenant so. He don't the shame throw. They tell and say he just get problem. Now what keep become for this city, but the place he don't like the place, you know. So what he go do? He just they try to get small money, making yours get your apartment. Only know he carry and you in it. Now that your tenant now can't give your guy money to take go rent house. May leave you. Now their lifestyle. That is why me, I know they follow the nyako. Talk less or say, if the boy too fine, I just see there for road out you're the vest. I don't know why. You can never see me say I date boy way fine. Now my policy be that. Now me be your mama, now me the nyan. Not be say now you. Now me you can't carry baby up and that can't turn boy way senior me 10 times to baby. Now me you can't you they plait your hair, you they do like your finger self go long past my own. Me will be the woman. I'm me you can't do my own baby in peace. I'm me you do my own baby in peace. I'm not dead that time for them. I'm not they follow. If you're fire, excuse me, I just like you. I say, maybe you try to look for work. Now what I tell them? Sometimes if I go club or I follow my friends go out, you see them. Ah, babe, I fun now. We are by what's up now. My brother allow try and go and win now. Then we're doing which kind. I mean, we're doing and I be a car with it now, you know. Do you have able to talk the boss say again? Now when I resist one nothing. He resist nothing. Now so they do that. Now they follow the for me to follow Bini boy laugh. May you see my white teeth. Not be all not be how they talk. Oh. All this fan boy with Obewe speaker inside bag. If you go club, you'll see them. They go gear from head to toe. They'll wear bushy for head to toe. Call but they not get life contract. They don't even get 3 months working contracts. They don't get ENT so you see them so. All the 419 trick where they this life now they are mad day. They are mad night day. The day when they toast you where you agree, now that day your problem of your life increased from 1 to 300. The one when I do last, when I throw away 2021, that was my first and I be the last. Iwa mo boy you to know what salo boy west yo na magbe that's all they do for you. Since then, if boy fine, no your brother say, you want to go comb your BS now me you want to toast. Sorry for yourself. Yours that one a big letter no. Because the way I would say they look you. You over they look yourself whether you shit for body safe. Because it's no healthy. Their relationship no they healthy. No be all don't misquote me oh. I'm not talking about all those believers. No, the ones where they work, those ones get experience. But you see the ones where not they work, they not get any experience. They not get human feelings. They not sabi live with human beings as you just see them so. You go see the woman where they 90 years old. They will sleep with that woman just to collect money. Woman wey dey 90 years old, they will sleep with her just to collect money. But we can't go fabric since money, we go work since money. We be say don't even tire. Now go can't go the same make or maybe the day we go see get chance say why enjoy say because say the day of 90 years don't come punya for make I do. But you see all this obey way anything for the money. As you see there, so and they dress in. Oh no, that thing about day when make me be say me and the not even stay the same as cause ike ya gege fian ye na be their mat. They no sabi talk. Hell. Hey. They no sabi talk. If they talk for where you dey, though there is your belly go spoil like say you chop egg wey roti. If they open mouth talk, as this one you may boa so, this ojobo jero so now, based on this one now they get your money from stealing by trick. Where they do they go. Your fellow Edo brother now, where go they suffer they also. If they talk down on their Edo person today, you go they say, what yo or you better wa me go. Or you me ya wa go, you no get anything. And most of them today they will get like 5,000 euro, 10,000 or 20,000 euro. 2 weeks time they don't know they borrow you 200 euro. As you see they so the life where they live. They know they tired today. Okay, imagine this one now where they stay with his friend. Then on a walk basse, this boy not get in your house. He not get one room where he rent from somebody. This boy not they pay house rent, he not they pay light bill, he not they pay any bills. He not even get serious girlfriend. Baby mama when he don't get it, they go 3. Girlfriend, they go 7. Oh, he both don't first see born for this boy. Now their way be that. A life he done and live anything. They will see, they tell you say that they find love. How you want to get love a back bomak. Eh, my brother, how you go take get love? This thing when you do this innocent girl, now they go do you. You see, say, I never the saga you. This one when me they give you so now advice. Maybe you go return that gold, because if you not go return that gold, and you know baba error. Because this not the first time where gold they lost between Bini people. Epa Eddie mofion gold way full bucket tito de a yegwale here. I'm making a gold diwala broad daylight. Thanks for joining Epa joining this way. Thanks for joining Epa we a boy na ye wa wele go di here. No be smoting. No be smoting. Since this boy entered Germany, gold, Bini people gold, na so gold is the thief. Eh? Na so gold, na the thief. Azaya ya wo anywhere. I know say by the time your saga proceed, a saga work be 1 week if do cyberspace. Go reach the last point where you hear last. Everything go fall out. Regardless of who you be, regardless of who you be, wait till you commit na big offense. Big offense now you commit. If Ogbalegbe can't catch you, join everything where you do with your body, a direct, now you they go. A direct, now you they go. Because if to say this innocent girl na your sister, you know, you yourself, you carry for class, they find boy where you do on that kind of thing. You don't know, so you think say people now because a person to get money, now they say they buy gold. No. People they buy gold, they keep it based on, they know they put money for bank. Now something where they say if you need urgent money, you feel just go take her. You know, sell her. Get your money back. You go the ass now. You gold where they even give you borrow wear. You borrow gold wear. You know even wear one which the ass now. Talk less or say one day your neck. The one where you go me, they even give you say, okay, borrow me you wear. You wear that one, it was not enough. You begin carry and go where they check gold. Whether now original or not fake. You tell girl say you drive, come meet her. Whereas you they rent car. You change your location. You change your address. You change your name. You lie for the girl. Thank God say na your man to take or say the girl na your girlfriend. Police go see ask you say, why did you lie? Why you do that one first? Now you thief that gold then. My guy, now you thief that gold. It's just that, he said, now so them be Shentro boys in Europe. Yes, now. Now so, all these people, they disgrace Benin name. They disgrace Benin name. I be it say money where that get buy that gold. Now today she walk, huh? You know since all those girls don't they zozo they come for this Europe. Where to oma la rebo na no we kofi po. Where to oma. Na so your party raise you. Eruwa wa we je be na so na be for family. Then we jena nya to ho a umuno no sioma. Are you consume that your girlfriend na take pay gold of 80,000 euro? Because if na me be that friend, you go give me my gold. Mo gyo we are friend and brother. U leki ya ma mi o pe agbon mu na wo jino ro hia mu. You will give me my gold. Not where anybody go tell me who my God me. Yeah? Somebody, this guy has the same character like Don Prince. You don't talk and finish. They even resemble self. I know Beanie boys. I know Beanie boys. I know Beanie boys. Why we now no go walk? Una no they walk. And the guests where they follow and I mean blame pass. Why you wow? He boy too fine. Why Lelia? Boy we find no get shishi for pockets. Yes. They don't get caught, but now you they feed down. Now this is a person they joke. Or see a wife VFO. Every time I have solar down with social media. The one where your friend go they follow where you see say you no fine. You they laugh your friend. He might be no walele. Every most he better pass. Or also when he talk about VS Everson. Or my place up be out by your monthly allowance. No be say woman not they help man. You help man where you know say yes. The man they help himself. Man, when you know say even if you give her 2,000, you know say that 2,000 euro investment or yeah. Not be man when you give 2,000 euro or you speak up fin or your gen is your bona or besos your bekito bae or the club be where do rime. Eh? I person say mature boy like this no fit work. Ask me, oh. Ask me. As you see them so, wa mi a train station, a club, ava yegbe ma they no sabi talk. And then they choose girls where they go meet. This type of boys, they always they go for girls so you see they do road work. Or girls so you see they do streets. Now that they go for. If you be Christian, we Bible, they work for Fabrica, they know they meet you, they no go come for you. Because they know say get Fabrica, no venwa me agbu weba weri eniyan. They say fine boy they last for 2 hours. What do you expect for person where be say month to month, you know they go anywhere. Now so yogurt, yogurt if will be yogurt with ice cream with what is the color? That yogurt, that sour yogurt, mure. They will come put on for they'll come use finger, one finger take press on. Mure. What do you expect? For man we know they go farm or anything. If they just do that 2 hours finish now, a man they will call me. Wait for report. They will your shop to recover. What do you expect? But man, when they go work, when they work for Fabrica, you don't be say you know say tomorrow you go work. Even you will be the woman, you go see understand. Sometimes men when they go work, they don't even do and they don't even touch you or anything. Not be say maybe they're not there, but you too as a woman, your code say this man they work. Even women self. If there are some time where woman go do better has chores, you say man touch you for night, you'll be like say na mosquito bite you, no go agree you the way you ever take shot. Now once you take jump, come down for bed, go like that for ground. It's normal. But you see this obey way men. They like to please woman. Now this one they lick bekus. Now they lick because they won't satisfy that woman so that they won't do that woman with you another man never do one so that they'll take cage the woman. Una never meet una mash. They make come. Una never meet una mash. If una meet una mash, all those your effort, everything will be useless. Oh, when you be someone, no level, nothing they change. Nothing they change. I'm going to supermarket right now to buy some yogurt. Oh God. I people don't make me like they think you all they vex me. How person go cause frustration for a fellow Edo person? That girl now where they said he involved for the tina, they said the girl was a very fine and a clean babe before. Now the other if she can't work out for her, she they talk Torita Lohian there. She come they talk, they go beg me all of us, presenters. Please, enough of all these things want too much. Between a go there, young you want my people. On I get human trafficking and I'm going to go. No. Ekbe skunya iwa munya ya vie go there here. If you do iwa we do na wala. More support ourselves, make the cash them. Make the cash them. I won't done. The auto person way if I get or no get to give us no sense in it. Oh my God, where your boy winner. Who come? You know who's coming? Tomorrow night, who were though? Benin people. Benin people. You feel put your fellow. Okay, go see that girl now. The girl present picture. When me see somebody flash up, you see the girl. Oh, you might is salary to €18. €18, okay, so answer 80,000 euro. E banda webo. I bet wait to pay madam. You do and finish that. The one will vex me past my people. The boy say, if na police station, he say if he see a picture for social media, he go report to police. See this ozuo. Wene muguna ogun gbera ni wa so amebo because he me na re saga sha. I will come for saga do yo ogun gwo wewe. Nu gbe o nu sungu we dene we ru wa ojobo je wo jemi jemni go jemni ni nu jeni egwa mani gwa lo jihian kazin koso I ma vie pisho we niyan agwa lo muladian ovi ofin. Anybody know it ye wele or why on your apply abeg how they call them people. Thanks for joining my lady or more bass person we go hide this but they call them is it apply anybody we hide you plus you oji waivahi egan waivahi direct. There's no two ways about it. You just say now let that guy now you want to follow this. You know me people they say we don't use here this thing way no where this and they buy the Murphy should also look into this matter. Because I now say go but where they make go doge. Go but where they make go doge. You be thief. Oh Jamie. Who were fabrica? What did they fabrica where you know if you work? You they work that they give you 1,518, not be something. Not be something, not be money. Person whether they give 1,500 a month, you know this. To start with. As a single guy, you use 300 or 400, depend on the house where you dey. As a single guy, if you don't want himself, papa, you pay your 300. Do your maybe 200 euro food stuff for us. Keep maybe 100 euro for pocket for in case of any expenses you want buy water or maybe some days you want drink one bottle for night before you sleep. The remaining one use until the fence Nigeria. Since you want all of one fence village. That one knowledge. Oh, go a 1,000 you want go the snap inside BB cafe cafe boue wak bon. Ya mwe ke dini la dian o ma emi no de. Ravi joie ha dry et puis je wa edite ya ban. A kun e god you wa hu. Wa ma emi ro pa egbo wa ni we ya. We na tie oji. Sa bo ame la o. O teme na stubborn, but ma so teme na oji no. You know what you take the place on generational curse. When born mugbe mon we biele ni we tonya. They say their papa native. Everlasting their papa native with evidence in a boy. My person say, Queen, why una we be presenter no fight this kind fight for social media president wife like this? The guy don't plan everything down before going to the woman. My person, you say why we not plan you say why we don't fight for a past social media president's wife You know, say during that time of that goat, na election time, all of us were busy with the election. You understand? We were busy with the election and all our own be say the goat go soon come, the goat go soon come. You get all our own be say that Epa goat go soon come. Sometimes I can't even say I've been a prank. Now when I can't say Epa come they so I put say no be prank because at first I can't say as I say Epa with investor the waka I can't say maybe na Epa with investor just arrange this prank. But later now I say this thing no be prank and police don't involve and those women so also Me, I don't even know them. And I not to follow up with that case. Because that time we were busy with politics. You understand? We are very busy with politics. Investor marriage, can't see they inside. You understand? So we not to just get space and I will not follow up with the issue well. You understand? So that was why we not to raise alarm for that pound. But this guy, so where we just see so. Because if you look the old media now, everywhere dry. Everywhere silent. And this thing, and the reason why this boy need to cast. This boy also did Germany. If he be said this boy no Epa. If he be said this boy and I got disarm Epa wife gold. If he be say this boy and I got disarm Epa wife gold. Yeah, that was what Epa said, yeah. Now they get me so. So for this boy and this thing, this is the second time where we don't hear and now for social media. So kena buhwe. Yes. Kena buhwe. A nonsense anymore stop. You cannot go to anybody's house because now I be like they are new trick with that because 2 times or man say 6 months. A gold in a gold 80,000 a pound almost 150,000 euro gold. This one 80,000 na small money. Na small money. So we need to put a full stop. This one not be say na Hausa person go do one. This one not be say na Yoruba person go do one. This one not be say na Igbo go. This one our fellow black. A pound we just the guess. A pound self was Bogbenta. Yeah? A pound was Bogbenta. Based on we don't know whether it's this one Europe make them involve police. Yeah, they already involve police. Yeah, police must involve now. A guy now must go down now. A lot of things they won't go down. You understand? A pound, my people, we don't know say that woman not we don't see that woman for a power house. We don't see evidence say the woman I they go a power house. Now only a power accuser say nah she, but there was no evidence. You understand? There was no evidence. Say, okay, maybe they go the house that very day, and as they can't come out, God miss. As this guy be so we be say camera cash where go inside car, go bring big black bag, go back to that house, go practice where the girl not the house. You understand? If this guy, if they talk for this guy, we get evidence. Say you did the house. And according to information where we don't gather, this boy fake his address. He fake his name. He fake the car. The boy not get car. He say na get car. Whereas no being get car. He read name na Isaiah. He go tell the girl another name. And there is a camera proving, showing that this guy wear orange shirt. They enter the girl house when they don't go work. Because the girl thought say that day when she wake up, that faithful Thursday, when she they go work, this mumu they sleep. Imagine woman they go work or they sleep. The guy they sleep. Say, he want you relax more before him go come out. Based on that guy where don't they come the house they come out. Now the guy say, okay, no problem. If you want come out, lock my door. And really now your guy. You don't need to come the barbara because now your guy for that girl, she feel say she know the guy. Now when things take cast, now she can't even find out say all the information, address and everything where the guy give her wrong information. If not be the power of social media, where we say they quick cash and bring come aside. The day Europe, you see they build us. You where you they work for almost 10 years for Europe. Where you maybe now you want fence your compound. It's Isaiah 40:14. Oh wait, my people. Isaiah 40:14. Oh wait. No worry now, oh mila. What we do with Germany? In our boy now, while the street be right go diwawi. Or while the Bama be right go diwawi. They even ask a question. They say anybody where bring a picture come outside. Anybody he send you were police they call for Belgium. When you come no say you not be thief, you already promised the girl say the next day you will go there. Mona gotta go meet police. Make police do their findings. Why you come run? You run for the girl. Person will get 80,000 euro gold. You run for the girl. You say me the girl not call your name. Make she not talk about you.
If they weigh you now from up to bottom, make they rate you weight how much you weigh. You not weigh this 5,000. If not be guess where they won't waste money. 5,000 euro, me no they no do way. When they quay if you my town way short. When I say Reiki. Why I say Reiki? If not be pekus one of the liquid, what you feel do for bed? Wait till you feel to see your lip they red like this you already way. I shall walk boo wagmu. He said, please, I advise anybody with such amount of gold should buy a safe and put the gold to secure such important things. As in, my lady, my mommy, you are here. This is becoming alarming. That is why all presenters need to talk, put. Because you, where you, they use your one gold for live video, they baba you. Now, Benin boys now, they do more. No be another tribe, this one no be say na Yoruba, this one no be say na Igbo. No be equal, Benin boys Soviet do, now no man de kpama. Now them be this so. Now them be this so. I mean we need ya here. Now so they go call you as they'll say they be husband and friend. Go reach all this one. Go reach glass cup for table, 10 avio. Una never see anything. Jeans so shoe and all this one are thief. Domestic thief, na be all this one. Domestic thief, na be all this one. Nothing where they no fit thief. E perfume ive ya tinya vyo yekbo. Inya vyo yekbo. Please, people should all BB platform, me they beg all of una. Make all of us put hand together. Even if na one video, your video feel help. Your video feel little where we feel see this boy. Your video feel little the better information where we will take get this boy. Because this thing now happen for Germany. We not go fit to say, oh, may we not to put, you know, concern us. No, because Edio ya soon. Na so it they start. This thing not good at all. Me no like thief. Nine. I don't like thief at all. Talk less of the one where they can't cash with evidence. I don't like thief because thief, if they don't thief you before, you will know the frustration where they follow. The tears, everything. You will first get something, you can't be like, you no get. Person will park bicycle in your move. We vont that day, now when my lady we vont, now they also go parking and about the we vont. No, go again. Benin people, please. May we work hand to hand. Let's help the government. Since that they talk say our platform, na saga with it. May we start to use our platform to the cash thief. Yes, real thief will not be say fake one. No. Because I wish me not see this guy where they carry that bag, they go. And with the explanation how he take fake identity for that girl, now me take confirm say this guy not thief. In one combat talk, he said no be only he come that house. Say one guy see come where they do resident for. So person will provide the real documents. Where knows anywhere where in day for the world now once they will take get am. Now you go thief gold. I been at you where you fake, you not get car, you fake am. You know your name, you change am. Your address you say they stay for Germany, you change am. Why will you do that? To your own real girlfriend. Why you do that kind of thing? If not be plan where you get, you be thief. And they not go do your sister like that. They not go do your man like that. 80,000 na sumo money, 80,000 euro na baby money. Na she got money, you may look the Taliban. You get it doesn't Italy day. Before 3 days, they don't cash you. Italy, everybody don't place finish. All of us don't place for this country. As we all drop this video, so amu wene. People don't trek enter street since they find you. They go amu wene. No forget. Inside police are not buwe. Italy where we say 2 people go they fight, police go turn back like say no see there. We are not do a part. If not be that Germany where they talk say Germany, they say they know they touch person. I had to bomb I had to push on I had to anything va. Let make you go the thief there now. Come here, may you can't thief. May you see the way boys go tell his bottle tear your head into 2 for police present. Police have go they tell the remaining police say na 2 fighting. Well, me police go they tell the remaining police na 2 fighting. Now we just see find place your shit what we send the ayawa. Now Benin people you just start now why graduate in a bond all language yoba. Who's ya agbele ekwi Yoruba? Because Yoruba people cannot give you access to their home. Now make you they carry your own fellow Benin people gold so. E go de vow e winna your boy Germany wa. No wa like Germany wa no. Ekpe go da woman. Who work a black bag when he moto no rent. As this boy can't see fresh, he case the cash and he moto now where they even screenshot. If the girl screenshot the car number, everything, the plate number, they can't go trace and say the car is rent. They rent the car. Identity where they rent car and a fake. Only we are why we are going donne bio. Baby mama barang bari. Upo sisi dete Nigeria de nya yo sisi gboani. Dete Nigeria uji. Gbo sisi yen yo sisi gboani. Because something where you know say you know fit take. Now you they do your fellow human being. Something where you know say they know do your sister. Now you they do your own fellow human being. Ehu waye kanadi. If the money is 80,000 they switch you to shop. Why you no go fabrica, go start working since the day where you tell young? Wait, like 10 years ago when you don't enter this country. You won't go buy house or Lagos, you know they work. Who was war? When all those small teeth, you know, make sense. Ah, the more pishi jue. Oko no wa tira obi ojina ya yewo. Ah, the more pishi jue la dian. Na si loge ravije family we na si le ya bawe. Na doa buguge gile nyawa. Awo jo oje go di barawo. O gede nyamutu. Oje go di barawo. Agbowe mi ado gbara gba iyo ado gbawa. Best of the same feather flows together. Why family work bari onion? If you know say you never said that good, now better code it on that good. Not be children they thought to. Then what be man we social media we investigate well. With the word of your mouth, we already know say now you thief that good. Nobody get time to come to follow you there say, are you sure it's the one? Are you sure it's the one? Ekbisa no mama nuwa mukiani de a capital work. You won't go to repair the girl but we make you kind of can big back. Eh? You won't go repair the girl bedroom and be what did they say that back? Back where you not for the carry, come down for inside your car. Where ginyakpa no na ali eke mwekpo lawa. Before police have the screenshot and come and say now you carry the gold. Because definitely gold, you know if you put inside, you know if you hold on for hand, you know if you put on for your pockets. Now big gold with case, una mwekpo. O jida, o le buruku. They come out now, they phone. Anybody, man, the Bible too. I bet I go play the investor video for now, my people. Where investor they talk about the issue. May I go play? May I look for investor this thing. May I play more? Very good. You give you a good. You give you, and according to what they see, this boy he go get hand for what he happen to Epa good. Mona listen, my people.
Americans are calling you.
Azaya Irawi.
People, another one just still happen. This boy what they call Azaya Irawi. Go greet his girlfriend for Belgium. He never even reached 24 hours. Make his girlfriend also say my boyfriend come. May I go buy food stuff, buy take cook for my girl. For African market, we're not even far from there. Before sister come back, brother don't carry goods home.
Okay.
And the gold worth more than 60,000 euros.
You see, huh?
I never want saga you because this one, because a lot of our say, because if I see they stand for justice, when I go to talk say, they don't pay money. This one they really pay me.
No, this one they not pay investor. I know why investor talking like that because boy and I make it talking like that. Say they pay him. You understand? So now be the team, my people. Una they here. Say another one don't happen. Before investor talk and say another one don't happen. This boy is a prime suspect for a bad Godway loss. Many of can't do up by view, they baby do away view, which is another one don't happen. Now this boy they run that you go up beg oh Jamie, oh G, oh le buruku. See your life. You go wear expensive glass, they paint your mouth pink. Like that boy when who oji ahanga kiro no lula yawa ben wana jame negu waduri Percy girlfriend self una go tifa Percy wife una go sleep with her. Why I don't know what they enter on her head because of money. Because of money. Hey, Mawa.
Imagine person we lost 60,000 gold.
So very lazy.
Can imagine how much he will give me at if I this right. So he pay me. Man, you fed the total from the starting now. And as you can see, I did do my work as I did so. Isaiah, Eraoyi, that is the name with the answer for Germany here. Now Germany this day. But when you reach your girlfriend house, you can't go to tell your girlfriend say, now Barry be your name. How could
Barry. Una see? First place. In name na Isaiah Eraoyi. Na be document name. Na people know I put for Germany. Na be name where papa with his mama give her. He want can go thief that girl. Come tell the girl say, he name na Barry. He can't tell the girl say, he name na Barry. Why did you change your name? My brother. This one not be say girl where you never knock. I able to say na girls they do that thing, say girls they change name, girls they answer different name, this and this. Me no know say even boys now don't they change name. Who wagi kwe gweneni wina se ko? Azaya.
Tomorrow I say get not for now. Get not for now. Get not for now. Get just stick for you now. The most romantic thing if you to that girl to TV good.
You see? No here. This kind one, single mothers, I use God beg all of una, my sisters. Why be careful? If this one, if he enter person, Steve go, don't know if his fingers small baby. A boy now, all it is your boy or your hand because una feel they look, they say, manak monyakin. Now when you near them, you go no say they not be human being. They me niya see no. Ioniya ido azere we bono no isi ememe yan hu. I don't know. Ekiya to swe biebi. Ya o. Nero ilayin. Ekiya to swe biebi. As you decide so, if you have twin, single mother, wa afeko. Single mother we read did that journey. If you read they see shege. E ben jona na awana na wa visunu. Why get be okay, single mother, you read yek pa ukbore ne. They not there ukbo again, they don't see go boom, ave bien uwa wa marry yan. Okay, mona let them enjoy their single life for we. Uwa give yek be school la yan wa yara yan. Mona let women breathe for this country for Christ's sake. Go see one man where they say they arrest just that die now and Charlie Brown been waiting they call her now. Iho ko na woni ye wa gbon. I have a new one no la dia we ha biana okori geleri ge. Gbere o biana ogidi goku o biana ogidi goku a baby mama wa ge baby okiwo. A plan wa me da ko be na e ma no good o. E no good. Plan we una get towards women no good. E so hallelujah suffer ne wa de wa de do wa marry. First visit one will take guas no go carry woman put for the two flat one built no wa le loko suffer kokigo we man ya bo. First visit to Nigeria why are you ho yeva? The women now they not see they care, they'll still move on. Why you a single mother? At the end now no see let the drink water keep cup. Wajiviere ni buwe talo hiamupo. He get the one way coming one time we on so. Menega no auntie what happen? Auntie what happen? My baby, my she the baby, my she the daddy, my baby, my no time, my daddy she the baby no, my baby father. See what you won't go tell Balegbe. You won't go tell Balegbe, say my head not correct. He said one punish me, made I carry the children. And my sister beg, help me call her. Yeah? You won't go call Balegbe, say your head not correct, or we make yes. What you appreciate two of the get correct? Okay, now get correct. You want to go lie now say your head not correct, so that they'll collect the children. Say yes. Now say give me a number. Give me a number. As I call the man, I say hello, good afternoon, sir. I say hello. I say good afternoon, sir. I say good afternoon.
I say, you know they talk. He say, just the season, I tell you number. I say, okay. I said, now Queen they talk. I said, they bring an issue for me. He say, I say, yes. Say, Queen, not remember any Queen for it. And I say, you don't know Queen talk show. They come and forward my page, give you. Now I share my platform, go give her. As you see, they see you for Facebook. I say, okay. Now say your matter reach my the wait till they say they happen. Your wife call me say you won't go report her to police, say this and this and that. He said that useless woman. They make me call him, say this and that. Say what the woman they do. The woman they follow boy. Now some boys they call me the woman for us. Now some boy they call me the woman for us. I said now say boys call they me the woman for us. He say yes. Not the way this man not tell you. The man George case where we say if to say I be police if I go rearrest that woman. The man George case if to say I be police I go rearrest that woman. Say this woman you get all this character. Whereas now lie yo. Now lie the man lie on top of the woman head. The man just finished. Now so the woman they leave the children for us, they come out. Now so the woman they do this one. Now so the woman they do that one. He complain everything what the woman they do. Now me cause I say, how you tell no, you did the ass. He said no, he said not the people where they around, now they tell him. And the people where they around they tell you say, yeah, me can't call the woman. Can't tell the woman, say, what your husband say you they do. The woman boss crash, she can't they cry. Say, he says since how many weeks now, wait till they tell him, but now you not get strength again. He won't faint, he won't collapse. If they carry children, and so this one, and so. Now tell the man, say, okay, since he talked, now say the woman no do like that again. All those things where you complain, put, she no go do one again. Make you not report to police. If she do one,